Dear students, today we are going to start our lesson 2 and the name of the lesson is A Tiger in the House. What is the name? A Tiger in the House, and we have a get set question A to get set on the very first page of the lesson. So look at the picture given here. What is wrong with the picture? Which animals and birds have been encaged here? How should one treat pets? Discuss in the class. Should one encase birds and animals for one's pleasure? So he asked us to look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? We can see many birds and animals in the cage, and one man is also there who is standing near them. What is wrong with the picture? What can you see the wrong thing in the picture? The wrong thing in the picture is this, that birds and animals are kept in cages. They should not be encaged. हमें उन्हें केज में नहीं रखना चाहिए. Which animals and birds have been encaged here? कौन से birds and animals को encage किया गया है? You tell me fast. Yes, parrot, sparrows, hens, rabbits and dogs. How should one treat pets? How should one treat pets? Pets को कैसे treat करना चाहिए? One should treat pets with love and care. Discuss in the class. Should one encage birds and animals for one's pleasure? क्या हमें अपनी खुशी के लिए birds and animals को केज में रखना चाहिए? No. We should not keep birds and animals in cage for our pleasure. अपनी खुशी के लिए हमें उन्हें केज में नहीं रखना चाहिए. So start our reading. So in first lines we are given with the skin bond, means the lines are telling about Ruskin bond. Already we have learned many things. We have known many things about Ruskin bond. Ruskin bond is a prolific and well acclaimed Indian author of British descent who has made a remarkable contribution of children's literature, who was conferred the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992, the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Means Ruskin bond is a prolific and well acclaimed. See, prolific and well acclaimed means productive, prolific, productive, full of ideas and well acclaimed, जाना माना इंडियन ऑथर है ऑफ ब्रिटिश डिसेंट, ब्रिटिशर से बिलोंग करता है. हु हैज़ मेड अ रिमार्केबल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, जिसका बहुत ही योगदान रहा है चिल्ड्रन के लिए, बच्चों के लिए वर्क लिखने में, लिटरेचर लिखने में. एंड ही गॉट साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड इन 1992, पद्मश्री 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Most of his works are greatly influenced by life in the foothills of the Himalayas. बहुत सारे जो हैं इसके वर्क हैं वो इन्फ्लुएंस्ड है, प्रभावित हैं हिमालयस की नीचे की पहाड़ियों से. इन द फुट हिल्स ऑफ द हिमालयस, द लाइफ इन द फुट हिल्स ऑफ द हिमालयस. So his works are influenced by that life. His works are influenced by his own experience. His works are influenced by his observations. Is it clear? So read this interesting story about the author's grandfather and his new pet, a tiger. The story is about the narrator's grandfather, means Ruskin Bond's grandfather, and his new pet, a tiger. Timothy, the tiger cub, was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in the Terai jungle near Dehra. Timothy was the name of that pet, the tiger cub. Tiger cub means tiger baby, and the name of that baby is Timothy. Like cow baby is known as calf, in the same way the tiger baby is known as cub. So Timothy was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition. Expedition means journey, hunting शिकार करने के लिए जो जर्नी थी, इन द तेराई जंगल, तेराई के जंगल थे नियर देहरा, वहाँ से टिमोथी को वो लेकर आए थे. ग्रैंडफादर वॉज नो शिकारी, ही वॉज नॉट अ हंटर, बट एज ही न्यू द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ शिवालिका हिल्स बेटर देन मोस्ट पीपल, जैसा कि उन्हें पता था वो शिवालिका हिल्स के बारे में बहुत कुछ जानते थे, बेटर देन अदर पीपल, मोर देन अदर पीपल. ही वॉज परसुएडेड, ही वॉज फोर्स्ड टू अकम्पनी द पार्टी, उन्हें फोर्स किया गया था टू अकम्पनी द पार्टी। पार्टी विच पार्टी, पार्टी यानी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल। ही वॉज फोर्स्ड टू गिव कंपनी टू गो विद, okay, with the party of that people. So in what was the party? It consisted of several very important persons from Delhi. Means in that party of people many VIPs were there from Delhi. So he was asked to advise on the terrain, means so that he can advise on that land as he is aware about that, and the direction the beater should take once a tiger had been spotted, and so that the grandfather could direct the beaters if they had seen a tiger. Beaters कौन होते हैं beaters? Someone who take out the animals and birds in an open area for hunting. किसी ना किसी तरीके से छुपे हुए एनिमल्स को और बर्ड्स को बाहर निकालने का जो काम करते हैं, they are beaters. So if the beaters had seen a tiger, so that grandfather could help them. The camp itself was sumptuous. Sumptuous means the camp was very big. 7 large tents were there, each for one shikari, okay, and a dining tent, a tent for dinner, and a number of servants tents, and many tents were there for servants. Servant means नौकर. The dinner was very good. The dinner was very good as grandfather admitted afterwards. जैसा कि grandfather ने बाद में माना भी है, admit भी किया है. It was not often, it was not common dinner that one saw hot water, plates, finger glasses and 7 or 8 courses. Means it was not a common dinner. What was there? Hot water, plates, finger glasses and 7 or 8 courses means varieties of dishes in a tent in the jungle. So it is not a common scene that we see this kind of dinner in the jungle, but that was how things were done in the days of viceroys. The dinner was in that way, that the dinner was in the way that were done in the days of वाइसराइज. वाइसराइज मीन्स राजा महाराजाओं के दिनों में जैसा खाना होता था. द डिनर वॉज ऑफ दैट टाइप. देयर वर ऑल्सो सम 15 एलिफेंट्स. 15 एलिफेंट्स वर देयर, 4 of them with havras, means on 4 people can sit with seat for the shikaris, and others were trained for taking part in the hunting. Is it clear? And sportsmen, the sportsmen never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else. And the people who came there for hunting, they never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else. But ना ही उन्होंने किसी और को भी शूट किया है. Though they saw a number of deer, peacock and wild boar. उन्होंने देखे हैं deer, peacock and wild boar. Wild boar means जंगली सुअर. They were giving up all hope of finding a tiger. They were expecting for a tiger, but they were giving up all hope of finding a tiger. Now they are tired, means they giving up, हार गए हैं कि अब हमें टाइगर नहीं मिलेगा. And were beginning to shoot at jackals. अब jackals का शिकार करना उन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया है. When grandfather strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party. And where was grandfather at that time? Grandfather was strolling down, means वॉकिंग हेयर एंड देयर. वो घूम रहे थे इधर उधर इन द फॉरेस्ट पाथ एट सम डिस्टेंस, थोड़ी सी दूर, फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्टी, दूसरे लोगों से दूर. दिस इज फॉर दिस वीडियो. मूव टू नेक्स्ट वीडियो.